Hi guys, it's Callum here, DX Commander. I'm having a complete remodel, so I've got no tech at all, right? The desk is nearly empty. I'm moving everything around. I'm going to paint this wall, do all sorts, because we've got this open day coming up. And I wanted to be impressive. Right, talking about the open day, by the way, these are rules that have been passed down to me. Don't bring your dog, please. There'll be 20% off on the day. It doesn't apply to online. Okay, I'm not on the 17th of August. We're not reducing the prices online. It's just for visitors. We'll give them something off. That's all. All right. Now there is a toilet block. There's not much seating, so if you like a sit down, bring yourself a little chair. We got some visitors. We've got Lee Valenti is representing WRTC. That's the kind of world championship thing. You might have heard of that. I'll put a screenshot on for you now, WRTC. And that's here in the next couple of years. In the UK, there'll be a load of stations. And you'll be able to ask Lee, how you can get involved on the day, when they're doing their little contest, giving points away and that sort of thing. RSGB turning up as well. Martin Lynch are going to pop up. They're not putting a stand on, all right? All they're going to do is pop up. So if you want to see Tony and company, I think David's coming as well. They'll be making a video and whatever else. I've got a secret project that I might have ready in time. It's not for publication, but if you wanted to see it, you could, all right? That'll be in the field. Might not be ready, that's all. I did get in touch with people like Royal Signals. I haven't had a response. I just thought it'd be nice to have a few odds and ends. But David Johnson, I forget his call sign, but he's big satellite man. So he's coming, he's coming here. What day is it today? Tuesday. He's coming here on Thursday to do a site survey. He needs 22 degrees off the horizon, beaming southwest or something. So we'll see if we can lever him in. That'd be not nice. If you don't know anything about satellite, there'd be no investment. You'll be able to go along, ask him questions and see how it works. That might be just quite fun, all right? Fingers crossed we'll have a new product to announce live at the show. You'll be able to look at it. And also take photographs and videos and stuff. And I'll give you a link when we do a wrap-up video where you can just upload this stuff. So I can make a video because I might not get around to it. I'll give you an update on the quad, the cubicle quad. I went to see a load of scientists come engineers. So we're still mucking around with some ideas there. That'll be definitely coming on. The new field, John rolled it, put some seed down. I'll tell you what, the grass is coming up already. I'm just about to order some fiberglass poles, big, heavy fiberglass poles to be part of the mast. That might all change in the future, all right? I might end up with a little lattice thing or something. I got no idea. But we need to start from somewhere, and it'll just be a fun project to show you how for, a few £100, you can get your own, uppy downy 40-foot tower if you've got the space. All right, I appreciate that. What else? I've been in touch with Marlow Ropes because we're mates with Marlow, and they are they've sent me some Dyneema, 12-stranded Dyneema, 6mm and 8mm. I didn't realise Dyneema's got a breaking strain of thousands of kilos. I mean, it's like, 3 or 4 tons if you're in America. Even the 1/4-inch stuff is fantastic stuff. It's got a 3% stretch and then it breaks. So don't overstress it. I've got a laser leveler now. So when we put all the hinge points in for the tilt over mast, everything will be equal and level, so nothing will get over-tensioned. Hopefully nothing will break. I've got a massive Wi-Fi dish hidden in the corner over there. I'm hoping to get that on the mast. I was actually thinking of sticking it on a rotator, but it's a hell of a lot of wind load. It must be getting on for a square metre of wind load, so maybe we should just fix it at my house and go from there. All right, what else can I tell you? Apart from the remodel here, I have made Mark II version of this my PC thing. PC used to be over here, you see, and I'm sticking it on the floor. Some people say, oh no, don't stick it on the floor, but to be honest, a modern high quality case has got like a microfilter everywhere, so you can put it on the floor even in a fairly dusty. The microfilter will get clogged up, but then you can change it. Okay, so that's what we're doing. There was a couple of other things. Bloody Delta Loop, still haven't put it up, and I've looked. It's the wrong time of year to stick this Delta Loop up. The leaves and branches area, I don't know how I'm going to do it. I might have to wait till the fall, autumn, if you're in England, so I can see my way through the trees. That'd be a real shame. Anyway, part of this remodelling is the amplifier, the Tokyo High Power HL700B, has been fixed by James Hume down in Cornwall. Brilliant guy. It turns out that the protection circuit pot was down at 50 watts. It should be on 100. So we'll be able to squirt 100 watts in and get 600-700 out the other end. Why do I like that amplifier? It's because it's 12 volts. All right. And we got some massive batteries. So I'll be able to have a 12 volt station in the corner, mains here. And I'll put the IC 9700 down. It's a bit of a mess at the moment. But it means on the open day you'll be able to have a play on that station or on the main station once I've tidied it all up. I'll tell you what, somebody said not so long ago, and I thought how brilliant it was, that, you know, talk about a wireless hobby. I've got more wires I don't know what to do with. USB interfaces and everything. I mean, in fairness, I've got cameras as well and audio. I mean, not today. I've just got my little thing here, but it would be nice to tidy it. So this is the third time I've completely revamped this shack in 3 years. But hopefully this will last a couple of years. All right, so August the 17th, few people are coming. We've got about 113, 120 or something booked. I made a stab in the dark for a laugh. It was going to be 187. If you are coming, remember to hit the register button on the website. Just to give us an idea of numbers, Edgar will be here with his lovely van, beautiful food. He did a sampling a couple of weeks ago. Tremendous, really. And he's doing like a sort of a large and extra large, so £5 and a tenner, something like that, whatever. There we are. Now, if you're coming to the open day, don't stack yourself up at the gates because you'll block everything in. All right, there's plenty of lay-bys up and down the road, and at 2 minutes to 12, then you can come. Please do not stack out the main drive, okay? Because Mick's going to wonder what the hell's going on. And please don't arrive before 12, okay? Because we'll still be setting up. Right, once I've tidied up and everything else, we'll finally get back on the air. A couple of things to do, and then I would say end of August, we should hopefully be able to put the old regime in place of Friday lunchtimes, London time. Right, have a good week. All the best, guys. I'll see you next time, and enjoy your radio. Bye for now.